Hi everyone and welcome to TechSam's YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the ringer sound volume when it gets low on incoming calls. So it happens and it is enabled by default when you receive an incoming calls or maybe you receive any kind of notifications. The sound will get low. So to simply fix that, you need to just tweak a setting. So for that, go to settings up and scroll down, tap on face ID and passcode. Now just enter your passcode, and in the face ID and passcode settings, scroll down and disable the option for attention aware features. So what it simply does is that your iPhone will check for attention before dimming the display, expanding on notification when locked, or lowering the volume of some alerts. So when you disable this, and it will fix the ringer sound when it gets down. So that's it. That's how you fix this problem. So thank you for watching and bye bye.